Hey, it's Nikki. I'm so excited you're here with me today. Today, we're diving into my absolute favorite look, soft glam. It's a style that's taken over for a reason. It's the perfect makeup for any occasion, date night, wedding, or just running errands. Soft glam fits every mood and moment. Soft glam is all about enhancing your features, not hiding them. It lets your natural beauty shine through while giving you that extra boost. Think radiant, blended, and effortless, like a cozy cashmere sweater for your face. It's comfortable, wearable, and always chic. The secret? Seamless blending, soft transitions, and a natural glow that looks gorgeous in any light, from morning to night. No harsh lines, no wild colors, just you, but elevated. It's all about looking like the best version of yourself. Anyone can master this look, whether you're a beginner or a pro. It's super approachable and forgiving, so don't stress. I'll break it down step by step, sharing my best tips and tricks, so you can feel confident every time you try it. So grab your makeup, invite a friend, and let's glow up together. It's more fun when we do it as a community. Remember, makeup is about fun and confidence. It's your time to shine and express yourself. Today, we're celebrating your features and making you feel amazing. Ready? Let's do this and make every day a little more beautiful. First up, skin prep. This is the essential first step to achieving a flawless, long-lasting makeup look, and it's often the difference between makeup that looks good and makeup that looks incredible. You can't skip this step if you want flawless makeup. Think of it as creating a smooth, hydrated canvas for everything that comes next. Start with a clean face. Wash away any dirt or oil. A gentle cleanser will help remove impurities and leave your skin feeling fresh. Hydrate with a moisturizer that suits your skin type, even if you're oily. Well-moisturized skin helps makeup blend seamlessly and prevents dry patches. Massage it in for a natural glow. Take a moment to really work it in. This boosts circulation and gives your skin a healthy radiance. Next, primer. It smooths skin, blurs pores, and helps makeup last. Choose one that matches your skin's needs, whether you want to mattify or add radiance. For soft glam, use a radiant or illuminating primer. This adds a subtle glow and makes your skin look lit from within. Let it get a little tacky before moving on. This helps your foundation grip better and last longer throughout the day. Don't forget your lips. Apply balm for a smooth base. Soft, hydrated lips make any lip color look better and feel more comfortable. Dab on a hydrating eye cream to keep under eyes fresh. This step helps concealer go on smoothly and prevents creasing. These little steps make a big difference. Each one adds up to a smoother, more radiant finish that lasts all day. Now your skin is prepped, primed, and ready for glam. You've set the stage for makeup that looks and feels amazing. Trust me, this is the foundation of a flawless look. Let's move on. Time to even out your skin and create the perfect canvas for the rest of your makeup. This step is all about building a smooth, flawless base that will help every other product shine. Let's get that airbrushed finish. Think soft, natural, and radiant, not heavy or cakey. Choose a satin or luminous foundation for a natural, radiant look. These formulas mimic real skin and add a healthy glow. Apply a small amount from the center of your face outward. Less is more. Start at the nose and blend outwards for the most natural effect. Blend well, including your neck and ears, for a seamless finish. Don't forget those areas. They help your makeup look undetectable. Now, concealer. Use 1 or 2 shades lighter than your foundation to brighten and lift your features. Apply under the eyes, on blemishes, and to highlight the center of your face. Think forehead, nose, and chin. Gently blend with a damp sponge. No harsh lines. Pat, don't rub, to keep coverage where you need it most. Set everything with a light dusting of translucent powder. especially under the eyes and anywhere you applied concealer. This keeps your base flawless, crease-free, and helps your makeup last all day. The goal: skin that looks like skin, just a little more perfect, fresh, and healthy. Take your time blending. This step makes all the difference and ensures a truly seamless finish. Ready for eyes? Let's go and make your look pop. Eyes are the heart of soft glam, defined, blended, and mesmerizing. Use warm neutrals, soft browns, rosy pinks, and champagne shimmers. Prime your lid so the colors pop and last. Sweep a matte brown in your crease as a transition shade. Blend, blend, blend. Deepen the outer corner with a medium brown for dimension. Add shimmer to the lid center for that glam pop. Curl lashes, add mascara, and pop on wispy falsies if you want extra drama. The result? Eyes that look bright, lifted, and totally soft glam. Let's finish the face. Time to bring warmth and glow back to your face. Lightly bronze where the sun hits. Hairline, cheeks, jawline. Add a peachy pink blush to the apples of your cheeks, blending upward. Highlight the high points, cheekbones, nose, Cupid's bow, for that lit from within glow. For lips, line with a nude pencil, and fill with creamy nude lipstick. Top with gloss for extra shine. Finish with a spritz of setting spray to lock it all in. Check yourself out. You're glowing. Soft glam is all about feeling confident and radiant. You did it. Now go shine.